Good evening to one and all. I am Munesh from third year Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering at Dr. Y.C. James Government Polytechnic, Kupam. I would like to give a presentation about leadership. Topics covered: who is a leader? Full form of a leader. Introduction, definition, qualities of a leadership, factors of leadership, importance of leadership. Introduction. Leadership is the one of the most important function of management. Leading involves directing, influencing, and motivating employees to perform. Definition. Leadership is shifting of own vision to higher heights and raising the man's performance into higher standards. The building of man's personality beyond its normal limitations. Who is a leader? A person who influences a group of people towards the achievement of a goal is called a leader. Leader means listens and expects the best and achieves and determines and encouragement and respects. Qualities of leadership. Humility. The quality of not thinking that you are better than the other people. It's often found in the most effective leader. Integrity. Leaders in different industries and cultures can do spare over the rules, but integrity is the bedrock of characteristics of right dealing. If you lose integrity, you lose everything. Decisiveness. This is the ability to grasp what motivates and others and use it to inspire them into actions. Take risk. Leaders have the courage to act in situations where results are not assured. They are willing to risk failures. Build a team. Leader can create productive team that draw the best from people. Dedication. Dedication means spending whatever time and energy on task is required to get job done rather than giving whatever time you have available. Self-knowledge. The valuable trait protect you from overreaching. Factors of leadership. Factors of leadership. 4 factors of leadership: follower, leader, communication, and situation. Factors of leadership. Leader. You must have a honest understanding of who you are and what you know and what you can do. Follower. Different people require different styles of leadership. The fundamental starting point is having a good understanding of human nature, such as needs, emotions, and motivations. A leader is one who knows the way and goes the way and shows the way. You lead through two-way communication. Much of it's non-verbal. Situation. All situations all are different. What you do in one situation will not always work in another situations. Importance of leadership. Motivation, providing guidance, creating confidence, coordination, effective planning, inspiration. Leadership is a relationship that creates positive change. Any questions? Once again, thank you to all and thank you to Joshna madam.